Good morning students. Today we are going to study about how does artificial intelligence works. The aim of implementing artificial intelligence is to make a device or computer artificially intelligent to work as same as human minds. For making artificially intelligent machine, which includes different tools and techniques such as artificial neural network, machine learning, deep learning and natural language processing. Now we will study about artificial neural network. We can say that human body is working like a machine. In the same way, our brain works like a big computer. A computer accepts data, processes these data and convert it into information and give or send this information to users. In the same way, human brain is also process information which is received from the senses of the body and sends these messages back to the body. As we compare the working of a computer and a human brain, a brain can do much more than a machine can. That means human brain have the ability to think and experience emotions according to the situations and it is the root of human intelligence. So, biological neural network is a chain of neurons in our brain which communicate with each other through axons or nerve fiber. The root of artificial intelligence is artificial neural network. As same as biological neural network, artificial neural network are also composed with multiple nodes and these nodes are connected by links and they interact with each other. The nodes will take data and processes it and the result is passed to other nodes. The network can take a decision on the data and give further feedback about the decision whether it is right or wrong. And it helps to ANN in changing the future approach. The second technique of artificial intelligence is machine learning. Machine learning is the art of study of algorithms by using examples and experiences and it is used to achieve artificial intelligence. It is achieved by identifying ideas existing in the same patterns in the data and all these ideas are used for future predictions. The learning process starts with collecting observations or data that learn from examples, direct experience or directions for looking into patterns in data and take correct decisions in the future according to the provided examples. The first and main aim is to allow the computers to do their work without human intervention and adjust their actions according to the situations just like human beings. Its objective is to develop computer programs which accept data, process it and learn it themselves without any help from the outside. TV shows and movie suggestions from Netflix is an example of machine learning. The third technique in artificial intelligence is deep learning. It is a technique of implementing artificial intelligence and is done by using a neural network. Neural network is an architecture where the layers are placed on top of each other. It tells the computer to do work naturally just like human beings which learn by examples. It is a specific approach which are used for training and building neural networks which are the most promising decision making nodes. It works according to the training process and set up its own pattern in the input example without any manual identification features of data. It makes the training neural networks easier and faster and also give better result in artificial intelligence area. Deep learning is used in automated hearing and speech translation. Home assistants machine like Amazon Alexa is an example of deep learning which identify our voice and respond according to that and also know our preferences by deep learning applications. So we can say that deep learning is a subset of machine learning where artificial neural network algorithms inspired by the human brains learn from large amount of data. It allows machine to solve complex problems very easily. Some examples of deep learning are virtual assistants, translations, etc. The fourth technique of artificial intelligence is natural language processing or NLP. Natural language means human language which we are used for communication with each other by text or speech. As we know that humans are using different languages for communication and the computer is not able to understand these human languages because of its diversity. Then natural language processing is a way to solve these problems. NLP helps the computer to analyze, understand and derive meaning from human languages in a useful way. So we can say that natural language processing is a branch of artificial intelligence that enables machine to understand the human language, and it is used for machine translation and automated question answering. Some examples of NLP are smart assistants like Apple Siri and Amazon Alexa, which recognize the pattern of speech, and Google Translate, which translate language more accurately without any mistakes. The term big data is used to describe a collection of data which are in huge in size and growing with time. For the efficient working of artificial intelligence, it needs huge amount of data, that is big data. 3 V's, that is volume, variety and velocity are the three properties of big data. Volume refers to the amount of data, that means the quantity of data to be stored. Variety refers to the number of types of data, that means the diversity of data. Velocity refers to the speed of data processing, that means the speed in which data is generated, collected and distributed. That is all for today. Thank you.